What if everything you know about learning and getting rich is completely wrong? There's a hidden factor most people overlook. How many 10-minute book summary videos do you watch each day? You feel productive, but can you remember anything you watched? There's a hidden treasure billionaires use. It involves reading hard books and doing something counterintuitive. Absolutely nothing. Before we dive deeper, let me be clear. This isn't about waking up at 4 a.m. or taking cold showers. It's about rewiring your brain for the AI age, something you can start doing today for free. Let me explain. Let me introduce Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's partner. He once said, "I'm nothing but a book with legs." He read everything. History, physics, biology, philosophy. Charlie built what he called the latticework of mental models, a framework where ideas interconnect. This is the opposite of today's speed hacks. It's slow, deep, and interconnected learning, the kind that predicts long-term wealth.
Think of your brain like a muscle. Reading hard books is heavy lifting. Book summaries, that's atrophy.
Real learning requires time, effort, and delayed gratification. The Stanford marshmallow test showed this predicts success better than IQ. But wait, why read 500 pages when you can watch a 10-minute summary? Here's the harsh truth about that. You get the conclusion without the reasoning. It creates an illusion of competence. You think you know, but you can't apply. The creator does all the cognitive work, organizing, synthesizing. You just get a cheap dopamine hit without memory encoding. Look, passive consumption activates different neural pathways than active reading. Information goes in one ear and out the other, literally. Deep reading literally rewires your brain. It builds new neural connections, expands working memory, and strengthens your prefrontal cortex. Now here's the secret weapon Charlie used. After reading the book, he would go for a walk. Stanford researchers discovered walking boosts creative ideation by an average of 60%, but only when done without distractions, no AirPods. Walking activates the default mode network, your brain's imagination center, the same network Einstein used for thought experiments during his walks. The walk temporarily lowers your prefrontal cortex's strict control, while your posterior imagination centers explode with activity. That's when creativity happens. Ideas from different disciplines collide. History meets physics, biology crashes into philosophy. Boom! That's your million-dollar eureka moment. Now, in the age of AI, everyone has instant access to answers. AI has democratized information. Everyone gets the same. The new currency of wealth isn't having answers, it's asking the right questions. Questions are now more valuable than answers. Deep reading builds critical thinking, expands vocabulary, and teaches nuance. Better vocabulary means better AI prompts, and better prompts equal better results. You'll command AI like a maestro conducting an orchestra. The better your questions, the more powerful your AI becomes. Deep reading lets you stand on the shoulders of giants, learning from centuries of wisdom. That's how you build an unfair advantage. Stop consuming more. Start thinking deeper. The choice is yours. Drown in content or master one book. So here's your 30-day experiment. Pick one classic book. Read it slowly. Take walks without distractions. Let your brain work. If this resonates with you, hit subscribe. I share deep learning strategies, neuroscience insights, and how to thrive in the AI age. Comment below which classic you'll read this week. Keep reading, keep walking, keep thinking. See you in the next video.